The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. But who gets to shape that future? Humans? Or machines? For centuries, every great innovation, electricity, the printing press, the internet, has brought new challenges and unimaginable opportunities. And now, we stand at the dawn of another revolution. The rise of AI, a new era. Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is here. Right now, AI is diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than doctors. It is composing symphonies, painting works of art, writing poetry. AI is designing buildings, forecasting climate change, and even arguing legal cases. AI is predicted to increase global GDP by 14%, adding $15.7 trillion to the world economy by 2030. But while this growth could raise living standards, it could also disrupt entire industries. The big question: does AI replace us or empower us? Imagine a world where AI is not a competitor but a collaborator. A doctor diagnoses a rare disease in minutes, because an AI assistant analyzed billions of medical records. A scientist develops a new vaccine, because AI modeled millions of scenarios in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This is not speculation. This is happening. Take DeepMind's AlphaFold, an AI that solved a 50-year-old mystery in biology, the folding of proteins, unlocking new medical possibilities overnight. AI isn't replacing scientists. It's making them faster, better, more creative. And yet, there is another possibility. History has shown that technology is neither good nor evil, it reflects the hands that wield it. Nuclear power can light up cities, or destroy them. The internet can connect the world, or divide it. AI could empower humanity, or it could marginalize us. A 2023 report from the World Economic Forum predicts that 85 million jobs will be displaced by AI by 2025, yet 97 million new jobs could emerge in AI-related fields. The problem? Many of those new jobs require skills that millions of people don't yet have. Without ethical leadership, AI could widen inequality. Without thoughtful guidance, it could create a permanent class divide: those who control AI, and those who are controlled by it. So the question is not whether AI will change the world. The question is, who will decide how it changes? But let's imagine a different future, one where AI liberates human potential rather than limits it. With AI automating the mundane, we could be on the brink of a new golden age of human creativity. Already, AI is helping musicians compose melodies they never dreamed of. It is allowing visual artists to bring entire worlds to life. In filmmaking, AI is generating realistic scenes that once required months of work. Even in science, AI is accelerating discoveries, from new materials for clean energy to medicines tailored to an individual's DNA. When AI removes limitations, what else becomes possible? And then, perhaps the greatest question of all, if work is no longer the defining measure of success, what will give life meaning? Will humanity finally be free to explore philosophy, art, space, the depths of our consciousness? Or will we struggle with purpose in a world where AI handles the traditional markers of success? This is not an abstract debate. In parts of the world where automation has already displaced labor, studies show a rise in anxiety and depression, proof that meaning and identity are deeply tied to work. But it doesn't have to be this way. AI could become a guide to help us rediscover ourselves, to analyze what fulfills us, and to direct us toward lives that align with our values. What if the goal of work was no longer survival, but self-actualization? But to reach this future, we must change how we learn. Education today is based on industrial-age principles: memorization, repetition, conformity. But AI will not reward conformity. AI will reward adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Imagine an AI tutor that adapts in real time to a student's learning style, providing personalized lessons at their own pace. Imagine AI-powered simulations where students explore history, physics, or philosophy in interactive virtual worlds. A 2022 Stanford study found that personalized AI-driven education increases learning efficiency by 60%. Yet, there is a danger. If AI dictates what we learn, does it also control how we think? And if it controls how we think, then who controls AI? We are at a crossroads. AI is not simply a tool, it is a mirror reflecting our own choices back at us. Used wisely, AI could eliminate disease, bring knowledge to the farthest corners of the planet, and usher in an age of prosperity greater than anything the world has seen. But it will not do this on its own. AI will be shaped by those who guide it. And those who guide it are us. The future is not written. It is built. Every day, by the choices we make. So I ask you, what future will you choose? If this video made you think, share it. Subscribe to succeed today. Because the future is in our hands.